the grammar of DAKEDO. DAKEDO. Grammar of DAKEDO is mean but, however, or thought, regarding. It have the similar verb in English. As you see here, we have but, however, or thought, regarding. But when you translate to English, it depends to the sentence and the situation that you are talking about. So you can choose which word you use when you translate to English. But the deep meaning is just mean but, or however, or thought, or regarding. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of DAKEDO, you should change the verb to be the casual form and end by da. Or in the case of noun, you should end the noun by da and plus kedo, or you change data kedo or deskedo, nanda kedo, nanoda kedo, something like this. For the na-ht is the same. You should end by da kedo, data kedo, nanda kedo, nanoda kedo, something like this. And for the eht, you can use by that form en kedo. For example, oishii kedo, oishii da kedo, something like this, right? Or you can change to the past tense form katta kedo, noda kedo, da kedo, something like this. So remember, we don't use like da kedo. No, you should change just end the verb by da and followed by kedo. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of DAKEDO, the next, let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of DAKEDO together. The first example, 好き行きたいだけどお金が全然ないよ。好き行きたいだけどお金が全然ないよ。I want to go skiing, but I have no money. I want to go skiing, but I have no money. 彼女は可愛いだけど僕のタイプではない。彼女は可愛いんだけど僕のタイプではない。She's tough, but not my time. She's tough, but not my time. The next, 今週は暇だけど来週は忙しい。今週は暇だけど来週は忙しい。I am free this week, but next week I am busy. I am free this week, but next week I am busy. そうだ、いいだけど、そうだ、いいんだけど。I hope that's true, but something. I hope that's true, but something. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. ありがとうございました。